Is it possible to bring back those vanished Facebook stories you thought were gone forever? Absolutely. Facebook has a clever built-in feature that saves your stories after they expire. And it's the key to recovering deleted ones. First, open your Facebook app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access your profile. On your profile, look for the 3 horizontal dots, usually located next to your Edit Profile button. Tap on these 3 dots. This menu will reveal various settings and options for your profile. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Archive. This is where all your expired and, importantly, your deleted stories are stored. Tap on the Archive option. You'll now see a chronological display of all your past stories. Scroll through this archive to find the specific story you want to recover. You can often identify them by the date they were posted. Once you locate the story you're looking for, tap on it. You should see an option to restore or archive the story. Tap this button. And just like that, your story will be restored. It will reappear in your active stories section, allowing you to see it again and for your friends to view it for another 24 hours, just as if it was never deleted. Your shared moments are safe again.